Our first stop is at Orange Parking. Orange is located at the main entrance of Galleria Mall. Near the location, you have the Macy's and Apple stores. In this sector, we have several active bays for washing your car. Our second stop takes us to Mango Parking. The entrance to Mango is through Dillard's Parking. In this sector, we have 3 active bays for washing your car. Near Mango, you'll find multiple stores and the P.F. Chang's restaurant. Our last stop is at Plum Parking with 5 bays for washing your car. At this point, you'll have the Powerhouse Gym and the Dillard's store. If you want to enter Plum, remember that you have to entrances. See you soon. We look forward to welcoming you at the Galleria.